Hello. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to copy a part. This is a manufactured part, so this form is very useful if you're using a manufactured part which has a full bill of materials set up and you just wish to create it and then copy that part and then use it and make some slight changes to it and use it. So it's very useful for either having a template part to use for estimating in sales, or you're just about to manufacture a very similar part to one you've already made, and you can therefore just copy that part. You can also copy bills of materials and routings from one part to the other, and I'll show you that at the end of this video. So to begin with, you just bring in the part you're going to copy from, so this sub-assembly, and then you decide your new part number. So I'm going to call the new part number 7372-529-801 sub 6. Going to make it a sub-assembly, and it's going to be related to the same customer. I could change the customer, could change the new CPN, could give a new description. I'll give it a new description, 6, and new drawing number if I wanted to. And then I can choose whether I hold the IRN, whether I include the pricing data, which I will, whether I copy all the customer fields from this part, and whether I copy the estimated batch siding. I'm going to copy all those things in this instance. So to do that, I just save. So now I can go into part product maintenance and I can look at that copied part. D, there it is, D36 sub 6. And you can see it's brought all the information across. If I go through to the planning for that part, it's brought the planning information across as well. Now you see where I mentioned that you can copy labour. I mentioned you could copy labour and bill of materials. If I right click on the route, I've got copy material plan, copy labour plan. Here, if I had no material plan for this setup, I could actually, or if I did have one, I can bring in the labour plan for something else. So it could be that I can say, right, I'm going to bring in the labour plan for the two-part assembly and update it to my sub 6, save new route. So now I'm going to copy the labour plan into this routing and save it. And now if I go back into my D3 sub 6, you can see I've got that full labour plan imported for that part. So that's just copying bill of materials plan copied for that part, and likewise I could have copied the labour plan using the same method. So in summary, I've copied an IRN from one to the other, brought through all the information. I've also copied a bill of materials from the planning, so you can do it one piece at a time, or you can do the full IRN. Copy IRN screen is also available off the bottom of the part product maintenance screen.